Hi, this is Stephanie with Prize. Quite often when we are looking at sit-to-stand workstations, a very common question is, how much bounce is there going to be when I'm typing? So I thought today we'd just quickly show you some solutions, both when I'm typing in a heavier typing mode and compared to a softer typing mode. I will name the product first and then show you the two typing positions. First, we're going to start off with the S2S Sit Stand Workstation. Now lighter. Next is the Workfit-A, and this has the suspended keyboard tray. Heavier first. Now lighter. Next is the Veridesk Pro Plus 36. Now lighter. The solution to my left is the lift. Starting once again in a heavier position. Now lighter. And lastly is the Sit to Stand Converter Pro. Now with any solution, there is going to be a bit of movement, but if you have any questions, give us a call. We're happy to help.